got dual carbs. Holy shit. Mike, can I have your dual carbs? This thing's solid. This corner's good. I could cut this.
Wow, seats. That's a sad girl right there.
If Mike will let me have it, I'll take it. It's got the original radio. Open your glove box. A solid bus. Cutting seals out. Once again. That's crusty.
You want to explain why you're cutting this one out?
Well, supposedly this window is the same size as the one on the other side. I'm out of breath. The other side has that smoker's window that always leaks. I don't want it. End of story. Like a compilation of all the... That's gross. Wow. This is how you remove your Volkswagen sliding door. Ta-da. Oh, we got it. And now it's up to Mallory to restore it to crystal clear clarity. Here we have our 1974 tin top Westphalia. We've taken the windows off, and Mallory's doing her little thing. How's it going? Is it good? Is it coming out nice?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be crystal clear?
Well, with my OCD, yeah.
Is our camping trips gonna be crystal clear?
It depends on you.
We're using the good old-fashioned crud cutter, goof off, dish Dawn soap, and elbow grease. If this gets 100 likes, I delete her from the YouTube channel.
It's pretty hard.
So it appears that Mallory's actually found stuff she wants in the bus.
I love Mason stuff.
Look at this. What is that? You're gonna have to leave that soaking in that thing. Can we keep that? Yeah, it's discombobulated. I don't know if I can show this on YouTube. I'll probably have to blur out part of it, but you could use your imagination for what this image is right here. Actually, if you want to see what that image is, follow us on Instagram and send me a message.
Look at that. Just look at that.
Just look at it.
Look at it. And look at that.
Don't look at that.
They're all coming out just fine except for that one right there.
Got the Johnsy window out. Got this handle. Tuck it to the camera. And now I can't get this handle out, but I want it so bad. It's a nice handle. Mine was missing it.
Please be careful, for the love of God. Okay.
This is for you.
Jesus. I'm in.
it's time to do the good old-fashioned drop the engine thing. That ain't gonna work.
Man, look at that jagged tail, dude.
Got the same transmission as mine. There's a few things I gotta take off here. I don't know how much of this I should just cut and how much of it I should try to save. This tin it's so rusted, it's just coming off. The original mechanical fuel pump. Certainly never gonna use that. This transmission might be rigor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 5 ribs? Is this a 5-rib transmission? I don't know. Tell me how I have so many tools, yet I don't have a bungee. So Mallory is making some kind of zip-tied chain. What are you even gonna zip tie it to?
Yeah.
She's gonna zip tie it to you'll see, and that thing will get out of my way, hopefully.
Get every angle. Yeah. I just hope that this doesn't break. It'd be comical if it did.
So this thing is a complete mess. Yeah, it's probably locked up. Check out, oh, my new style. It's called Rust and Dirt. Think there's any gas in it? I hope it ain't got no gas in it. Cause if it do, man. Oh, that's gross. It splashed on me. It's not even gas. It's like oil. What is that? Who put? That's why it don't run.
There ain't got no gas in it.
I'm using a little elbow grease just to get a pump. Dirty old dirt. I can't even dust it off. Yeah, okay. Now, we remove these 2 17s up here. The 2 17s and then the 2 14s holding the back of the transmission. The whole thing should just come right down. Let's see if I'm right. Don't record this. This is stupid technique. Got this one loose and coming out. I got to hold it on the inside while someone does the outside.
Oh dear God, that means me.
Oh God.
Oh wait, I got it.
It's this one.
Okay. I left a piece of my hair in here.
Which is the engine, this one or that one? It has 2, that one and this one?
No, this is the transmission. There we are. It's getting late, tired, covered in grease, disgusting. There's 2 bolts holding in the mustache bar. If I pop them off, I think I'll just be able to pull it right off. You know, famous last words. Let's get these out of here. What in the dang old world? I mean, it's just floating right now. What the? That ain't right. What is holding you? Oh, there's no way. We didn't clear that damn input shaft. She's coming down. Whoa! Oh God, she gonna fall, honey. What is that? Oh Lord! Them some strong heater tubes. Whoa. Well, I was once excited about these dual carbs. Thanks for watching. Well, there's your problem. You got water where you're supposed to have the oil. Ah! If you enjoyed that vlog style video, make sure to hit like. If you didn't enjoy it, hit dislike. Nobody will know. Haha. But I know. Don't dislike it. Leave a comment below, and I'd like to say a big thanks to Mr. Mike Hicks from the channel MikeDoes. He's the one who gave us this bus. He also has a 1970, no, I think it's a 1969 bus that he's restoring. So you should go check that out. I'll put a link in here. And as always, continue watching the videos. In the next one, you're gonna see us working more on Tangy. It's been a lot of welding. I'm having a lot of not fun, but I think it's about time to get rid of this hunk of junk. If you want a part of this bus, pay shipping, I'll send it to you. I don't care, just I'll shop it and send it to you. Just follow us on Instagram, send us a message. We love you, and thank you.
That was stupid.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas.